Hi guys, welcome back. This is Isa from PrintStick, and in this video I will go through everything that's included in the Widget Library 4. So first of all, I just want to remind you, this is a library, so a multi-page, document. So if you go to your squares here, you can see all of the pages included, and you can select, for example, I want to go to my note widgets here. So I just tap there and I'm gonna open this page. However, this library is also linked. So I'm gonna show you, if you tap on these buttons on the top here, it's going to take you to the different sections of the library, okay? Now, those are the links, and also remember that all of these widgets or stickers, because they work the exact same way, they can be used by using your lasso tool up here. So select that tool, make a circle on any of the widgets, tap on that selection, click on copy, then you would go to the page on your planner, tap and hold on the screen, click on paste, and you have your widget that you can rotate, resize. Alright, so let's see everything that's included. You have these 3 board widgets. I think they're so cute. So this is a blackboard. It actually does have a little brown frame that I don't know if you can tell very well. And this one is a regular chalkboard, and this is like a whiteboard. Then you have these like open book widgets, which I think they're really cute. Then you have these colorful balloons. These are kind of to give a pop of color and decoration to your pages. Then you have these ones that I really like. They're like frames to keep little notes or decorative stickers inside if you want, but the white really pops with the color on the background of your planner. Then you have these weekend stickers. Now this is really useful, for example, for the new teacher planner where you don't have a weekend box on your weekly pages. Then you can add these ones at the bottom and still plan out for your weekend. These are like cork board in different shapes, different colors. You get 2 pages of those. So these boxes can be used at the bottom of the page of planners such as the Vita planner or the student planner and the pastel planners, where you have your vertical spread. You have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then if you put this right at the bottom, it's like you can enter more info for that particular day. That's kind of the objective of these stickers. And again, I give them to you in different colors, and you can add your own words here or days of the week or anything else you want. You could, for example, add dinner and keep one of these boxes at the bottom of each day to know what's gonna be for dinner that day. Then you have these cute like memo and sticky notes or reminder widgets. More notes, you can put some title here and then just enter your notes, different colors. Then you have these pods, and these ones I added them personally because I like to just highlight, I don't know, the biggest meal of the day, or if I have a special invitation of inviting people over and I want to, know what I'm gonna cook for that particular occasion, so I use these widgets for that. Then here you have your scales, and I thought it was a good idea. If you're tracking your weight, chances are that you're doing it weekly, so you can just copy one of these widgets, paste it on your weekly spread, and then just enter the weight for that particular week. Maybe you do it on the same day, but you can just add this in the week in general. So I turned it into a widget. And you have these little frames to highlight some notes or special event. These are also really cute. I thought these are mail envelopes in different colors, and here you could just write like pick up mail or drop off mail, pick up a package, something like that. And then you also have these cute pens in different colors. These are really good. I'm gonna use them a lot to decorate my pages. And here you have these notebooks, which if you're using the planners that I mentioned, such as the Vita, Student, Pastel, or even teacher planners, you have a very short widget space at the bottom of your pages. So if you're using these ones over there, you can just rotate them. Edit, and then you can just rotate them because you're gonna have a narrow space. So you can just place them at the bottom. But if you're using the Elegant Planner or the Color Planner V2, then these are perfect for your right side. Now, these are little pins in different colors, and I just want to quickly mention that you can copy one of these and then go back to your cork board, which page number 4, and let's go, for example, here, and I can just paste it and make it small. And if I copied a piece of paper from a sticker or just a white square from here, look at what I'm gonna do. So using my lasso tool, I'm just gonna go around this white area, okay? Tap on that selection, click on take screenshot. This is all white, that's what I want. Tap on this share button and copy. All right, now let's go back to my cork board here. Tap and hold, click on paste. I'm gonna make this way smaller, something like this. And then I kind of should have done this before bringing the pin, but that's no problem. I'm gonna tap and hold on my pin so I can move it outside, and I can select it with my lasso tool to cut it. Now I can place my note. I don't know if you can tell, but this is going to be a note. Tap and hold, click on paste, and it's as if I had my note pinned to my corkboard. So I thought that was really fun. That's why I created those pins, so you can try that if you want. But let's go back to where we were. So here, pins in different colors. Now you know what you can do with those. And then we have these note stickers with washi that matches the washi included in the teacher sticker book. And you also have them in bright color combinations. These are great for the planners that have kind of a more neutral background, so it gives it a little pop of color. Now these ones, I actually need to show you what they're for, so I'm gonna go open my teacher planner here, but it also works on the student planner, Vita planner, and pastel planners. So let me just copy one and go back to my page, and then tap and hold, click and paste. And now the idea with this is that it grows your pages a little bit, so you have more room to write in case that you don't feel like using widgets. Well, now you have more room right here at the bottom, especially when you're using your vertical weekly spreads. Then you can, for example, you have Monday here, Tuesday, then you can keep writing info for Monday, info for Tuesday, and so on. I hope that makes sense, but that's the idea with this particular widget, and you get them in different colors. And lastly, you have 2 blank pages that you can copy and use them to populate your library in case you need more space for other widgets that you purchase at the shop or that you make yourself. And these 2 last pages are the star and the heart. So if you tap there, it's gonna bring you to 2 blank pages. So that's it for this widget library, guys. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to turn on notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.